This is my veg patch, and obviously at this time of year there is nothing ready to harvest quite yet, except for good old faithful rhubarb. As you can see, it grows like fury. However, luckily for me, I have got a friend who's got some brilliant ideas of what to do with this wonderful stuff.
So this is your lovely rhubarb, and we're trying a recipe that we've never tried before. So no pressure, but we found a recipe for rhubarb curd. Now we know that curds are amazing, so we thought we'd give it a go. Why not?
Why not?
This is the time. Rhubarb curd with some yoghurt or some cake. An afternoon tea, I think, is just what we need at the minute. So I couldn't get any to practice, so we are winging it. Completely winging it, aren't we, Pip? Go, go, go. Thank you, Pippi. Great job. Good slurping, isn't it? It looks disgusting. There we go. We've just blitzed it up to release the juices, and I'm just putting it through some muslin to separate the juice from the rhubarb, the fibrous bits. So that's about half an hour. So we had 600 grams of rhubarb, and we've got about 400 mils of juice out of there. So we're going to leave that for a second. We're going to get some sugar and some butter into the pan. We need 4 eggs, so if I can leave you to do the pretty eggs, Pip, that would be great. 200 grams of butter. Just chuck that in there. 4 teaspoons of corn flour. And then into this I'm putting 250 mils of the rhubarb juice. And then I'm going to put this on to the heat. It's slightly different to a usual curd recipe because you're using corn flour as a thickening agent, whereas if you're making a lemon or a citrus curd, the citrus and the eggs and the butter actually are the thickening agent. So it's just a slightly different approach. It just shows how different fruits have different reactions. I'm sure that there's a lot of people who are very chemistry based and know exactly what that is. I'm just making it up. If you do have rhubarb in your garden, it can be overwhelming, so it's nice to have different things that you can make. Right, you okay? It's a lot of egg. Perfect. Shall I have a go? So you need a tag team for making curd, and 600 grams of rhubarb is going to make quite a lot, so you might have enough to share with neighbours, or which I think is quite a nice thing to do at the minute, isn't it? So this is rhubarb curd that we've never made before. So like we said, you can add more rhubarb juice should you want to. That's quite amazing.